Hello everybody. Today we're going to do a little quick test on a 3S battery, see what the survival of the Feiyue FY03. I think that's the model. I'll throw it up on the screen because I probably goobered it up. I'm going to do a quick test drive on that and see if it survives a 3S battery. Let's get started. I'm going to do a test drive on the Feiyue FY03, and I actually got some double-sided tape, put the power switch back on, put a 3S LiPo in here, and I've already driven it once, ran this pack down, and it does a great job. Turn on the radio first, car second, reverse that when you kill it. I'm not going to put the GPS on it today. I'm just going to run it a little bit. But I will do a GPS test with the 2S and then put the 3S in it and see what differences we see. As you can see, it's significantly more powerful with the 3S LiPo in it. And faster. I just don't know how fast yet. So what I'm going to do here, I'm going to actually get this car. I've got an A-Cross that I haven't taken out of the package yet. I've got the Pouncer, I believe is what it was called. Basically all three of those are the same style car. This one has a brushless motor in it. The other two have brushed motors. And so my intent is to run all three of them on a 3S battery. And so I'll do a GPS day when I do all three cars and bring them all out. I'll test them all on their factory battery. Uh-oh, I just lost the wheel. I'll do them all on their factory battery, and then I'll do them all on 3S LiPo. Okay, just lost the lug nut. And just FYI, this is an actual spare, and it does have a lug nut on it. So if you're out in the field and you lose one, I was lucky enough to find this one. But if you're out in the field, you don't have a spare, just remember there is a spare on the car.
Make sure you bring your wrench with you though.
Be sure and bring your wrench. And these could probably use a little Loctite. Although on this car, they don't seem to bind up if you snug them up pretty tight. Okay, we'll get a little bit more run footage now. Almost. That was a hard hit. It's okay. You can actually turn this pretty hard as long as it's not well, never mind. We'll do a little bit of slow-mo. The only damage I see to this thing is a scratch on the roof, and it broke one of the fake lights off the top of it. It's a pretty rugged little car. I banged the curb pretty hard with it. It does have a metal body, so I'll be able to more or less straighten that out. But on 3S, this thing runs pretty good. I do plan to get all three of these similar cars out, put the stock batteries in them, put the GPS on them, and put the 3S battery in each one, and I'm going to do a speed test. I'm not going to do the gear changes yet. All of these came with a 22, a 24, and a 26 tooth pinion gear, and I'll change those out at some point. But the next video I do with all three in there will just be a comparison with the 2S and the 3S, and I'll put them all in the same video. If you want to see this test I'm talking about, subscribe to this. I'm going to try to do it as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Catch you down the road.